Hey guys, welcome to Transwest Truck Trailer RV located out of Belton, Missouri. Today we get to show you off a brand new 2025 XRW and a brand new 2025 XLW. Both of them have some really nice upgrades. Tiffin took the 25s and they lowered the floors on the inside by 5 inches, giving you more ceiling height, giving you more interior cabinetry storage. But very unique floor plans. I want to point out some of the storage that we got on this coach. One, you'll see that we have the outside entertainment. I can appreciate the Gerard awning that they got up there. Almost a full length of the entire house here with the speakers that are on the edge there. So when it does come out, it's more kind of ear level. But I love this XLW floor plan because of the storage. So really nice feature. You won't get that on the XRW. You'll see that we have the Gladiator tie down rack. We've got some places where you can attach some anchor points there as well. You do have a 110 outlet, so if you do want to plug in maybe an outside ice chest, you can do it. Now on the XRW, I want you to notice where we have the plumbing. We do have your fresh water separate from your sewage. So I like that is different area, right? We definitely don't want our sewage mixed with our fresh water. The fact that they've separated that now, genius. Now on the XLW, I do appreciate the position of this plumbing. They've raised it from the basement up here into the sidewall. Makes it much easier. I don't have to bend down to get my water filter out. I can raise myself up, stand upright, be in a comfortable position to work with my valves, to change out my water filter, turn on my hot and cold water. So very nice, but we don't sacrifice a whole lot when it comes to storage because of this big rear storage that we got down there. As you can see, we do have a little bit of storage just in the front of this rear axle. Then you got your propane tank, about 12 gallons worth of propane. Now what I like about this is an all-electric coach. So you're like, hey, what do we need the propane for? Well, we don't use it for heat. It's only there to run your generator. So this is going to be equipped with hydronic heat. That's new for 2025. You're going to have collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control, side cameras, left, right, and rear. Just a lot of neat technology built into this. You've got your running boards with some tie down hooks. If you got pets, you got some anchor points there where you can hook up your leashes, and you still get even more storage. So man, what a great floor plan for storage. You got your LG TV, smart TV, and you've got your new style frameless windows. Got more of those square edges, just a nice clean look. And let's take a quick peek on the inside here. As you walk in, you'll notice right off the bat the recliner entertainment theater seating. And before, when we came in here, you used to have to step down into this cab area. So the floor is nice and flush. So we don't need the booster seats anymore because the chairs are already starting at floor level. So very nice. Get rid of the boosters, and it really incorporates these captain's chairs into the living space quite nicely. So we'll get some lights turned on. Nice technology package built into this. You can control your generator, your lights, a lot of the functionality here in the coach with this display panel. And you can also tie that on. Let's see here. I think if we go to settings, you can see you can actually get that tied into a mobile app. So now that we've dropped the floor 5 inches, that gives us taller ceiling height. But you'll also notice you've got much more storage in the base cabinets. You're going to have taller upper cabinets. Now, when you go and look at our 24 models, I was looking at the pictures earlier today. Like for instance, this cabinet here, you'll see that the cabinets are actually not as tall. So not only do we get this nice upper cabinet, but you get this extra storage down here below. So just a ton of storage and just beautiful cabinets. You've got this laminate yacht style cabinets with these with these recessed lock handles. Those just kind of tuck out of the way. You got your convection oven, induction cooktop, and then I believe we got our aqua hot up here. Yep. So this is going to be what's responsible for heating your water and for heating your air. Just a neat technology. That's something that used to only be offered in our Class A diesel pushers. And then you do get some really nice storage just behind these cabinets as well. And as you can see, this one is equipped with Starlink. So you guys are going to be good to go day one. Now coming in here, you're going to notice this is going to be the twin bed setup. And this is going to be a nice little storage area underneath here. And if you'll notice this cutout right here. Now, a lot of people, I actually had a customer in here today, and we were just trying to discuss what would you even put in here. And with this cutout, you could put a piece of foam block in here, and you can shadow box, whether you got drone or cameras. You can shadow box a piece of foam in there, and then cover it up just like so. And then you've got this really nice bedroom here. Now this can make into a queen bed, or you got your twin style beds here on both sides. You're going to have an LG TV here with the JBL soundbar, so you are going to really have a nice experience here with your entertainment. You've got beautiful windows here all the way around. You're definitely not hurting for views, whether it's an ocean view, a mountain view, no matter what it is, it's a great view. Now the bathroom, you're going to have, I like the fact that you get a door, right? So if you need to leave the bedroom, kind of head into the living space, you do get a door here that does section off so you can have a little bit of privacy. And then the shower just across from the bathroom, this is going to be one-piece fiberglass molded. It's not that plastic where it comes out in different pieces, just less prone for leaking. So pretty cool little floor plan. One of my favorites is that XLW. I like that big rear storage back there. Electric bikes, maybe you want to take an ice chest with a freezer with that outlet back there, you're good to go. Now let's just run over here to our XRW. Now the XRW has been a very popular floor plan. I love these bigger windows here. Now when you're getting into the Wayfarer, everything about this coach you're going to see is ultra high end. You've got the clear bra on these coaches. You got the Alcoa, all aluminum wheels. I love the fact that they've got the side cameras up here on the mirrors. Even their caps here, the way that they build their caps, you're going to notice there's no seam here. So this is built just like a boat, all one piece fiberglass cap. A little bit more work, a little bit more money, but just a better design overall for waterproofing. This coach is going to be equipped with lithium batteries. You got your 2000 watt pure sine inverter. You got your outside LG TV. And again, you get that Girard awning there with the speakers on it. And then what Tiffin does with their exterior paint, each line of paint here gets painted 2 different times. And then, so 2 coats for each layer of paint. And then you get 3 layers of clear over that. So they spend the time and the money making sure that this thing is going to be dialed in, looking beautiful for years to come. Now, not my preference, but a lot of people, for me, I like that big storage that we just saw in that LW. Obviously, you're not going to get it here. You're just going to get some of this basement storage here. You got a little bit of storage there. We might as well walk around, guys, give you a quick peek here of what we got for outside storage. Got your hitch with your 7-pin there. Again, I think we pointed this out already, but you got your sewer there in one compartment. You got your fresh water in the next. You've got your Dirt Devil central vac, surge guard protection. Got your LP tank, and then your 4,000 watt generator. So, not a whole lot of outside storage, but when we lose that outside storage, what we're going to gain is a whole lot of interior storage. So when we go in here, I think you guys are going to appreciate just how much storage you're going to have. I love the badging. the extra attention to detail that Tiffin puts into their product. Now as I step into this, I got my nice grab handle. That you can't see it, but they do have a clear bra here for the high traffic areas just to protect your paint. Nice grab handle to the left. You got one here to the right. And then let's see if we can turn these seats around as well. So these seats do have memory seating, so if you've got it'll member up to 3 different unique positions for drivers. Okay, well there we go. So again, this does incorporate, this lifts up out of the way. So again, throw away the booster seats because the floor got dropped 5 inches. So that's giving us a flush floor going into the cockpit area. Lots of nice space in here, right? So we lost a lot of our exterior storage, like what we saw in the XLW, but the XRW does give some nice space. So a little bit bigger entertainment theater seating. This console right here was what was missing in the XLW. We didn't have this, so the seats were a little bit closer together. So you do get a little bit more separation of space. You get a little storage area in here, and you do get 2 of these. So I really love this table here. As you're sitting, as you notice, I'm facing my TV. If I need to get a little work done, I've got this really nice TV with 110 outlets. I got USB ports here as well, and then my co-pilot will have a 110 and a USB port as well, so you're definitely not going to be hurting for power. So if you're a really tall person, that 6'3", 6'4" person, I'm 6'1" with my shoes on, nice big tall ceilings. Even your slide outs are nice big and tall. You're not going to be bumping your head as you're standing up and making your way through the coach. If you have guests and company, as you can see, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can seat 6 people, very comfortable. We were sitting down facing our TV there. And for your guests, if you guys are sitting here, you're tailgating, maybe you're watching a game, we could be sitting and I'm looking at a TV right now, and it's got its own soundbar. So really set up for entertainment. You've got tons and tons of storage. If you're ready to travel, you guys are ready to hit the road, you don't have to leave too much behind. You've got lots of space here to store clothes, and as you can see, as I'm closing those are all soft closing drawers. Great closet space up above. And let's take a peek at this next cabinet over here. Even more storage. So now what you could do, because this is big and open, you could take a rod across the top, maybe hang some shorts and t-shirts, so you can gain additional closet space should you need it. And you could do the same thing here. I mean, it's just a ton of space. But because we don't have the outside space what we saw in the XLW, we gained all this interior space inside the XRW. So one of the nice features of the XRW is you'll notice I don't have to step up into the shower. So in a lot of your RVs, because of the plumbing, a lot of times you have a really tall step up to get into the shower. 6'1" with my shoes, and you can see how tall this is. Really tall people. This is really set up for tall people. You've got, I love the porcelain toilet here with the little shower wand down there. It just makes cleanup so much easier. Beautiful vanity. Got your outlet. You got an overhead cabinet. Just really set up. Guys, there is just so much going on with both of these coaches. Either one's a great choice. Which one would you go with? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe. If you have questions about this, if you'd like to start your next adventure in one of these Wayfarers, give me a call. Lance here at Transwest out of Belton, Missouri. You can reach me at 208-290-5750. I look forward to hearing from you.